Hi guys, it's Alexandra from Mason Lifestyle. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's going well. So today I decided to spontaneously go ahead and take a trip out to Vogue Fabrics. You guys know I always tell you I'm in the Midwest. I am in Chicago if you kind of haven't figured out the clues every now and then. So I was nearby, I was by a forest preserve with a friend, and I said, you know what, I'm not too far from Vogue. I know that they had moved, and I had called about a week ago and they had said that yes, that they had finally moved, and I was there sometime in the summer, and yes, the sales for the move were pretty good, right? They were pretty good. So I decided to go ahead and take a trip out to Vogue. They are in an industrial area, so you're going to need a map because you drive down what it looks like a residential road, but you end up at their warehouse, and it's big. It's big. And I have to say, guys, this is not a sponsor post. This is nothing. I just kind of wanted to check out and see what they had. I literally had some cash. That was it, because I was just, again, like I mentioned, I was going to walk with my friend. And usually I don't go to Vogue because, one, my local Joann's is literally 5 minutes away and I am on a first name basis over there. And two, to get to Vogue's from where I am, it's quite the trip. There's just no clear, fast, quick way to get there. You have to go 25 miles an hour, which some people take it to heart, and it feels like they are, preparing themselves or just practicing for a funeral. I have no idea, but it takes forever to get there from where I'm at. So I usually do not go, but today I'm like, I'm close. I'm going. So I went in, like I mentioned, it's in an industrial area and they have Vogue Fabrics sign really big on the outside. I think they have a parking lot, or I parked illegally in somebody's lot. So I parked next door and I went in. It's a warehouse, guys. So, and if you guys had ever been to their store previously, right, it's no fancy schmancy. It is a fabric store. I've been to plenty of those. I've been to plenty of warehouse stores, because I remember I'm a florist, so you just go in, the lights are not super bright. You just kind of go in and you get what you need. But you go in, they have like a used sewing machines area, and then you come into their counter area, huge, super long, and they have tons of staff, people helping you. They also give you a little map. You see, they give you kind of like a little map of the space, and you're on your own, kind of like it's essentially a free-for-all of what they have. And what they have, it's a lot. And I'll post some pictures throughout, but they have trims galore. My goodness, I could have spent 2 hours just looking at trims, but I didn't have that much time. 2 hours looking at trim just because I'm looking for a black leather trim. They have wool coating, they had minky, they had knits, they had fleece, and they had a couple of aisles, and I didn't even get to all the aisles. I got to probably like 2 of the aisles, but they had so much fabric, you guys. It is like rolls and rolls and rolls and rolls of fabric. Of course, some things are pricier, like wool coatings, which they had some beautiful things. Beautiful silks, dead stock designer panels for amazing prices. I was a little sad that I only had some cash. They have knits and all the colors of the rainbow. They had this beautiful knit, bamboo knit, which I will be going back for because you guys know I love my knits. They had an entire sewing patterns area with, you know, the big four and a bunch of other people. Their buttons section was absolutely overwhelming. There were so many buttons. I have to go back. I have to kind of put my little list and take pictures of what I made, the size of the button and how many I need, and go to town over there because they had a bunch of them. It was awesome. So went through, I was looking for some rayons just because I want to make myself a shirt, and I'm also looking sort of for some knit fabric, kind of like something in like a teal, right? Trying to get away from dark colors. So I got myself, let me show you what I got. So I got, and I didn't get a lot, guys, because again, remember I told you I had some cash, but I got this teal panty. It's so soft, it's so nice. Definitely different from what you find at Joann's, but it's really nice. I got 1.5 yards, make myself a top. And then I also got the rayon prints are awesome. I love them. So I got this kind of like rayon print, just something fun. Fun that I saw. They had so many. They had so much fabric. It was a little overwhelming, I'm not gonna lie. It was a little overwhelming. And awesome in a fabric kind of way. I definitely recommend if you used to go to Vogue, get over it. They're in a warehouse. They had to, I'm sure, do it because they want to consolidate space. And it doesn't make sense as a small business to have 2 different locations, 2 different rents, right? So, plus this place has parking. It has parking. So they used to be in the main street in Evanston, but they're away from it now. So if you are going to Vogue, you are going there because you need something. There was quite a bit of people there too while I was there shopping away. And most of the people that were there, they knew what they wanted. They went straight for it, got what they needed, and then they moved on. So why am I telling you about my visit to Vogue and posting pictures and all that stuff? Because I want to make sure that if you are nearby or you are visiting, that you check them out. They are closed on Sundays though. They're open from 9 to 5, Monday through Saturday. Sundays, they are closed. So FYI, you can't go over there on Sunday because they're closed. But I'm telling you about this because these little or not so little independent stores, fabric stores, we want to make sure that they stay around. We've lost so many other stores. A lot of them have gone online, and you know what? I understand why. Rent is not cheap, you guys. And you know, when you have a retail shop, you have to have so many other things like business insurance. If somebody trips in your store, you know, God forbid something happens, but it does happen. So definitely go visit them. They are awesome. They have some beautiful things. And I know that they have a website. Guys at Vogue, if you're watching this, you need to update your site. Call me. I can tell you what we're looking for. But they also send you swatches and things that you may want. But I just think that the website does not do them justice with the amount of amazing things that they have in stock and the wide array of things. And you know, when there is so much to go around, I wonder if you can put it on site or if you can just put a couple of things. But definitely go check out Vogue Fabrics. And also, that's my spiel about Vogue. Also on the channel, I'm going to start putting some other videos on Tuesdays. I'm still going to keep doing my so longs. one so long in English and one so long in Spanish, but every now and then you will see a couple of videos about what are the adjustments that I make on my patterns. I'll do some indie, but I'll also do some big four. So you guys see, like, for example, how I make a bicep adjustment. Or, you know, how do I check a pattern if I need a full bust adjustment, or if I need to add length to something, just so it's something that people can go back and check out, because I think we need some of those videos on the channel. So all right, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I will see you next week. Bye.